Hey y'all, let's make this tasty and delicious egg salad with our homemade sauce of mayo, ketchup, mustard, buffalo sauce, and garlic powder. So if you want to make this recipe, let's get going. So you're gonna need eggs, some fried plantains, 2 toasted whole wheat buns, our bread, lime juice, and then you're gonna need onion powder, black pepper, salt, and some fresh red onions and fresh parsley. And so I have this homemade sauce already made, which had the mayo, ketchup, mustard, buffalo sauce, and garlic powder, and I've added my fresh parsley and red onion, and there you see I'm squeezing half a lime juice in it. And then I added my black pepper, garlic powder, and some salt to it to taste. And then we're just gonna combine those. So you're just gonna mix them well until everything is incorporated. This recipe is so delicious and it's quick and simple. If you have some boiled eggs, because I'm using mostly leftovers here, so I had boiled eggs and some fried plantain that I did fresh. And so to a bowl, you see I've added my chopped eggs, and then I've added that delicious sauce to it. You're gonna so love it. And leave a comment in this comment section to let me know how it turned out for you. It's so tasty and delicious. So once you coat all the eggs that is chopped with my buffalo sauce or that tasty delicious sauce, then you just add some black pepper, salt, and onion powder or garlic powder to the mix, and you combine, because we season in layers so that the flavors come through very well. And look at that goodness, it tastes so good. So then I added some red pepper flakes just to add some heat to it. That's optional if you do not want to do that, but I like the heat in whatever I am cooking. And so there you just mix it. And so then I had my fried plantains, and I'm going to be adding them to my bread, and then we're just gonna pour some of that egg salad all over it. It is so delicious and tasty. And if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything, and press the like button and share with your family and friends, because we truly appreciate it. And let me know how this recipe turned out for you, because for me it was real delicious and my family loved it as well. And we're just doing some finishing touches there, as you can see. And look at this goodness, all the sauce is all over. And there I just sprinkled some pepper flakes on top after I made my other sandwich. And we thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.